Heartbreaking news coming in from Paris this morning. Indian wrestler Vinesh Phogat has been disqualified from the gold medal match this morning at the Paris Olympics. She was competing in the 50 kg freestyle category, and according to a statement that has been put out by the Indian Olympic Association, the athlete weighed a few grams over the permissible limit. Now, the rules say that athletes that are competing in a certain weight category must remain in that weight category for the 2 days of the competitions. Unfortunately for Phogat, that was not the case. This morning when she was weighed, she weighed a few grams over the permissible limit. Well, in light of this, of course, the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, has also put out a tweet, consoled the athlete. He's said that, she must not lose hope, and that India's hopes, of course, are riding on her, and that she must come back stronger. But other than that, reports, news agencies in fact from India are also reporting that the Prime Minister has spoken to the President of the Indian Olympic Association, PT Usha, and has said that whatever it is that can be done to make Phogat's case stronger must be done. The Prime Minister has also inquired about any additional steps that can be taken, any sort of remedies that can be filed for to let Vinesh Phogat compete in this final. But unfortunately, as things look right now, it seems that Vinesh Phogat is not going to be able to compete in the final gold match, which was slated for today evening around 7:53 Paris time. She's been disqualified. Unfortunately, it seems that she's not going to be able to make the cut for that. She's not going to be able to compete in that. It's clear, however, that this is one of the most stunning upsets for India at the Olympics so far. The three-time Olympian, of course, had qualified some very intense matches. As of yesterday, she had defeated the reigning world champion Japan's Yui Sasaki with a 3-2 decision, and then she had gone on to beat Ukraine's Oksana Livac by 7-5 and Cuba's Yusnelis Guzman Lopez by 5-0 before reaching the final. Lots of hopes, lots of dreams were riding on Vinesh Phogat's game today. But as things stand, she may not be able to compete after all. She's been disqualified this morning after her weight was found to be a few grams over that 50 kg mark, which is what athletes are permissible to compete with in this category. As far as we know, since Phogat is not going to be competing, since she's been disqualified, she's going to rank last. Disqualified athletes at the Olympics are not given any rank. They automatically fall to the last rank, and that's going to be the case for Vinesh Phogat as things stand right now. Paradip Bhanot, One India from Paris. The Olympics are about athletes, games and medals, but this season we bring you all of that with a side of food, culture and memorable experiences. I'm Paradip Bhanot, bringing you all the latest from Paris for One India.